Hello dear viewers, welcome to yet another episode of our YouTube tutorial videos. If you're joining us for the first time, this is Antic Build Solutions, and this is a platform where we are able to get periodical tutorials about CAD software that we designers use in most instances. So if you're joining us for the first time, I wish to ask you to kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you may not miss any of our upcoming tutorial videos that we'll be putting up in this particular platform. So in this particular tutorial video today, I will wish to introduce you to one very critical tool that is used in SketchUp, and this is the push pull tool. So I will wish to introduce you to the fact that the push pull tool is used to perform two critical roles. Number one, using the push pull tool, you are able to make a shape out of a 3D shape out of a face. You can also be able to cut a particular a 3D shape out of a model that you are working on. So that is something that I'm going to show you practically, and you'll be able to see it by the end of this tutorial video. You'll be able to see how this push pull tool will be able to help you particularly model any shape that you wish to do in the model that you're working on. So let me first give you a quick view of the model that I'm working on. So I have this particular model that I'm working on, and I will wish to have this particular cropping that you can see on this shape. This particular cropping, I really feel that it's a bit low, so I will wish to make it higher, of course, for me to have the flat roof look more elegant. So in this particular case, if I want that to happen, I'll ensure that the part that I wish to enhance its shape to be selected. So I'll simply click on that face that I wish to have it enhanced. So once I click on it, I'll just go to my push pull tool, which is located on the upper side of the menu. So once that is happening, I'll simply click on it and ensure that while I'm holding down the left button key, I'm able to increase the size. So as you can see, you can be able to customize it based on the height that you want. So for me, I'll simply type in 500, so that I think that for me will be ideal. Then that is just the first part of the functionality that I've just told you, that it is able to the push pull tool is able to help you come up with a 3D shape out of a face. Like in this particular one, you've seen that face. Then another thing that I wish to tell you is that you can be able to cut out a 3D shape out of a model that you're working on. That simply illustrated is that I will simply click on my pen tool, and then I'll draw a shape. Or let me just use the rectangular shape. Sorry for that. Let me use the rectangular shape. Then I'll click on it. Then I'll make a rectangular shape out of this. Yeah. Then I'll click on the push pull tool and make sure that I've selected the rectangular part that I wish to work on. So once that is done, while holding down the left mouse button, I'll simply push it inside and make sure that the writing on face is on that particular shape. Then you'll release it, and you will ensure that you have already cut out a face out of that particular model that you're working on. So that is just simply how the push to pull tool works. And we having illustrated that, I will wish to also tell you that by the fact that the push pull tool enables you to carve out a 3D shape out of a model, another thing is that it is always proper to kind of dimension the shape that you work on, so that it is not ideally left hanging. So that means that we need to give it a dimension, as I said, maybe something like 600, and then you click, and that is something that it will promptly respond to. So I wish to ask you to, in case you have any question, please use the comment section button, and then see you in the next tutorial video.